Hi guys, my name is Ayushi Kulshrestha and I'm a first year retail management student. Welcome to an online video about a critical pricing topic, multiple unit pricing and price lining. So looking of a broad perspective of pricing strategy, we can see that price is one of the many crucial considerations. So the first is multiple unit pricing. What is multiple unit pricing? It is a pricing scheme that specifies item price for multiple units. It is a form of promotional pricing where the sellers offer lower price per unit for the purchase of two or more products of the same type when bought together. Businessmen play with customer psychology where the customer perceives great saving in quantity buying. This strategy is practiced by all, be it in the organized sector, in the unorganized or even by the e-commerce companies. For instance, a set of 4 bed sheets may be sold for 80 rupees, where the actual cost of single quantity of the product is 25. Therefore, quantity buying saves 20 bucks. It is very effective in increasing the immediate sales. However, it may not affect the increase in the quantity of the consumption. The second is price lining, which is also called product line pricing. Price lining is a marketing strategy wherein the products and services within a specified groups are set at different price points. The higher the price, the higher is the perceived quality to the customer. However, while price lining can be profitable, it relies on a number of factors to make it work. So it is not always the best option for every product or service. For instance, vehicle manufacturers produce vehicles in different models. It could be economy model, environment model, luxury models and more. So here the products are availed at different prices. But a few things should be kept in mind. That is the demand elasticity, product mix, product positioning strategy and product life cycle. This helps in determining best price for each product. Those seeking additional features or higher quality of product are willing to buy a product at a higher price point, while budget-conscious shoppers may go for basics at lower prices. This was all about the concept. Thank you for watching and hit like.